Hello, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Stanley Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing fine and safe. Friends, today I have tried another amazing recipe which is from the South Karnataka, which is called chicken in chettinad curry. Chettinad curry is a mix of lot of spices and it tastes awesome. And the chicken which I've tried is a homegrown chicken, which is not a farm chicken. So homegrown chicken takes a lot of time to cook. So I'm using pressure cooker to cook this particular recipe. If you are using a farm chicken, then you can always cook it in a normal non-stick pan or any cookware which is available in your kitchen. So friends, without wasting any more time, let's hit the kitchen. Let's make this dish and enjoy this amazing recipe. And as I always say, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's start cooking now.
So for this recipe, we will make a dry masala. So first of all, we have taken around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander. We will take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Three pieces of black elaichi, around 4 to 5 pieces of green elaichi, 1 tablespoon of sauf, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 pieces of javitri, and 1 tablespoon which is a mix of black pepper and long, and 1/2 piece of nutmeg. So इसको हम roast करेंगे on a medium flame and then इसको हम grind कर देंगे in a fine powder. Now at the same time on a pan we will take 1 bowl of coconut powder. इसको again हम roast करेंगे, हल्का सा वो golden brown हो जाएगा. Then we will mix it with the same masala and then we will grind it together to form a fine powder which will be our main ingredient to make this chettinad chicken curry. So for the main cooking, we have taken pressure cooker. We will add refined oil. So if you have coconut oil available in your kitchen, you can use coconut oil as well. जैसे ही तेल गरम हो जाता है, we will add onions in it. So 2 big onions finely chopped. We will fry it till it turn golden brown. So as you can see that the onions are now golden brown. Now we will add our next ingredient. So the next ingredient is curry leaves and around 10 to 15 pieces of garlic. इसको हम ऐड करके उसको अच्छी तरह हम कुक करेंगे. So मैंने garlic को काटा नहीं है. I have taken full pieces of garlic. Once the onion, the garlic and the curry leaves are cooked nicely, we will add tomatoes in it. So 2 pieces of tomatoes finely chopped, and we will cook it till the tomatoes are nicely cooked. So as you can see that the tomatoes are nicely cooked. You can see a little bit of oil as well. Now at this point of time we will add our main ingredient, which is the chicken pieces. So I am basically using 1 kg of skinned desi chicken for this recipe. चिकन को ऐड करने के बाद we will start cooking the chicken. So जैसे हम कुक करेंगे चिकन अभी थोड़ा वाटर रिलीज करेगा. So once you will see a little bit of water in it, then we will add our next ingredient in it, which is the masala which we have made. So friends, it's almost 15 to 20 minutes. The chicken is cooking nicely. You can see that the water has also dissolved. It's a perfect time to add masalas to the chicken pieces. And first we will add 2 tablespoons of haldi powder in it. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of half grounded red chili powder. After that we will add the masala, the dry masala which we have made earlier. And then we will cook the chicken nicely with the dry masala so that the masala is also cooked properly with the chicken. So it's almost 15 minutes now. While we were cooking the chicken with the masala, we will add little bit of water and we will add salt as per our taste, and then we will give it a nice mix and we will cook the masala and the chicken again for 15 minutes. So friends, it's almost 15 minutes now. You can see that the chicken and the masala is nicely cooked. So please make sure that you cook the masala on a medium flame so that the masala does not get burnt. Now we will make a little bit gravy, and we need to pressure boil the chicken as well. So I'm using 2 glasses of water. We need to have a thick gravy, otherwise you won't get the actual taste of the chettinad curry. So make sure that you add water जिसमें आपको thick gravy मिल सके, not thin gravy. Now we will cover it with the lid and pressure boil it. 3 whistles and the chicken is ready to be served. So 3 whistles and we have kept the chicken inside the pressure cooker to cook for some more time. So you can see now that the chicken is nicely cooked. The gravy looks awesome. The chicken is looking nice and cooked. Time to serve it. So we will take it out on a serving bowl and you can enjoy this amazing chettinad chicken curry with rice. So basically this goes amazingly well with rice. So hope you guys have liked the recipe. Please do try this at home and you will also enjoy it. And friends, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do comment to my channel, and more videos will be coming up every week. Till then, take care and goodbye.